Today we are discussing Class 6, Chapter 8, Data Handling, Exercise 8.3, Question number 1. Page number is 116. First try to understand the question, that is first one. The lifespan of some animal is given as follows. Bear 40 years, bull 28 years, camel 50 years, dog 22 years, cat 25 years, donkey 45 years, goat 15 years, horse 10 years, cow 22 years, elephant 70 years. Draw horizontal bar graph to represent the data. This is the graph sheet. We are going to draw the horizontal bar graph. Bar graph we have to draw here. See in this, first we have to draw the horizontal line. See in this, first we have to draw the two perpendicular lines on a graph sheet. One is horizontal line, that is x-axis, and one more is here vertical line, that is the y-axis. Okay, see in this. Okay, and the next one here, first we have to draw the scale. First we have to write the scale, that is the scaling. Okay, always scale we have to write that right side only. Okay, x-axis. On the x-axis, scale means here how much distance we are taking in the x-axis and how much distance we are taking in the y-axis we have to write. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to, see how much distance I have taken here, 5 units I have taken. So 5 units, 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Okay, and your y-axis, on the y-axis what I am taking here, I am taking the animals. Okay, name of the animals, name of the animals. Okay, see in this, here it is given horizontal bar graph only we have to draw. So like this we have to draw. On the x-axis we are taking the numbers. What numbers means lifespan we have to take, that is, observe these numbers first of all, that is 40, 28, 50, 22, very less numbers are there. So what we can take here, I want to take the distance here 5. Okay, so I want to take here 0. See in this, that is first, here I am taking 0. When these two lines are meeting, that is the 0 origin. Okay, that is, we can take it as the 0. Okay, first one. Next 5, 10, 15. Are you observing where I am drawing here? See, this is the line. In this line only, in this line in the middle only I am writing. Middle means exact down of this edge of the line I am drawing. I am writing the numbers. Okay, see here 20, not in the middle. Middle we should not draw. Okay, it will not come properly. 25, 30, 35. Actually on the graph we should not use the sketches, but for clear purpose I am using the sketches here. 40, 45, and it is 50, and 55, 60, 65, 70. 70 is enough. Why? Because here the last number is 70 only, so it's enough. This side I want to write that animals names I want to write. Okay, see in this, see here, first one is, what is given here, bear is 40 years. 40 years, where is 40 years here? Yeah, 40 is here. Okay, that's why I am taking this one 40. Means I won't take another color. See in this, bear is 40. We have to take the distance here, 1 centimeter we have to take. Yeah, after this, first we have to leave this one, after that we have to draw in this. Okay, bear is 40. Where is 40 here? Here, are you observing here number is there 40? That is here to here. Okay, 40 I am writing in this. Okay, I want to write the names also, that is the bear, no? So by other sketch I want to write bear, B-E-A-R. Or we can write here also the names, but here place is not sufficient, that's why we can write here also. Okay, and after that we have to leave the 1 centimeter. and after that we had to draw the lifespan of another animal, that is bear is 40 completed. Next is bull, 28 years. Okay, bull is 28 years. 28 means, children, here each distance I am taking 5 no, so in the middle one line is there, no, that one is dividing the 2 and half and 2 and half. Okay, so 28 means after 25, 25 in the middle 5 means here 22 and half, here 2 and half, means 25, 26, 27 and end off will we have to take, means more just a little bit of after the middle line we can take. Okay, same as next one. Here bull is there, we have to write the name, that is BULL. Okay, next year 28 years, no, and the next one, children, that is bull has completed. The next one is camel, 50 years. Where is 50 years? Here 50 years is there, so we can take that one, 50 years. 50, where is 50? Here 50 is there. Are you observing? Yes, actually on the graph we should not use the sketches, but for clear purpose I am drawing here. Okay, next one is what animal? That is camel is completed. Next dog is 22. 22 means after 20, then the middle line is dividing 2 and half, 2 and half. That's why little bit below of the middle line I want to draw. Okay, 22. Okay, next one. Here cat is 25 years. Cat is 25 years means see 25, here 25 already, the exact number is there, so we can draw. No need to divide the lines. Okay, see in this. Next donkey is 45. Where is 45? 45 also exact number is there, so okay. And the next one is your goat. Goat is 15 years. Without using scale we should not draw. Horse is 10 years. Next cow is 22. Okay, 22 means here 22 exact number is not there. After 20 we can take the middle, below of the middle line. Okay, why? Because each that middle line is dividing into 2 and half and 2 and half. Okay, why? Because 1 centimeter equal to 5 units we have taken, no. So the last one is, that is elephant, that is 70 years. Okay, that is now we will write the with the different color sketches. That is this cow, COW. Next horse, HORSE. Okay, and this is 10 years, and this is goat, GOAT. Okay, next that is donkey, DONKEY. Okay, and this is we have taken, that is 45, and it is cat, CAT, cat. Okay, DOG, dog, lifespan is here 22, and it is 25, and this is camel, CAMEL. Okay, this is elephant, (32), and this is 15. Okay, children, we have completed. This is this one we had to write. This one we have taken the lifespan, no. Yes, first only we had to write this lifespan in years. Okay, children.